Welcome, in front of me is a Denver SDQ, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So to get started, we will need to pop off the cover. You can start pulling off in the bottom right corner where you have a little area for a fingernail. From there just pop it all around. Now unfortunately we do have to take out the battery, it looks like, so let's do that right now. And from there, memory card goes to the right, and then the SIM card goes, not sure if this is this size or the smaller one, or no, I need to put it, I believe, in the adapter. Just quickly check it, yep, so it needs an adapter. Like so. So I'm going to put it the same way as it is shown on the image. There we go. And then pop in the battery. And turn it back on. And as you can see, there is the pin for the SIM card. Update, perfect, no. And also there's the SD card. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how we would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.